hope you all are doing great and everything is groovy at your end. So today we are again here with you all telling about the agenda of Azure Developer Community, the community vision, and today we have Aditya and with us telling about the community goals and what we are bringing up for you as Azure Developer Community leads. So Aditya, and let me give a brief introduction about Aditya. He's Azure Developer lead at uh, HDev community and he's leading the community. So now what he's be telling about like how he has been journey, how his journey is all about, how he crux about the certification, how to get certified in Microsoft Azure, a little bit about our community. And so let me give the stage to Aditya. So Aditya, over to you.
Yes, thank you, Lakshit. So, I'll share my screen and I'll start giving you an introduction about what will be the agenda for today.
Perfect.
Is my screen visible?
Not yet.
One second.
If your net is internet, it's just a second. Not yet.
My Chrome has been crashed. One second, I'm reloading it.
Yeah, just take your time. Okay, so till then I can share the link with you all. So guys, we do have some quizzes for you. Holy quiz is coming where we are going to give 20 Azure passes to winners. Though we will give 10 Azure passes to the top 10 winners, and 10 random people are going to be selected for the quiz. I guess Aditya is having some glitch in his end. So this is the Discord community server link where you have to join and you can participate in the community events. So what we are doing, we are just we want you to uplift your career in cloud computing, specifically in Microsoft Azure. It's the best way to start cloud computing, and we are helping you out to start your cloud journey. Like we have multiple events and it is going to be scheduled for 23rd of March. So you can participate. I'll share the registration link over here. You can just participate in that boot camp, or what you can do if you are interested in data engineer side. So what you can do, you can just kickstart your journey right now with some DP fundamentals. You can just get certified on DP fundamentals. We are giving like every participant will be getting Microsoft Azure round coupons specifically for appearing in the exam. So you can just participate in the exams and you can get certified. So the next thing is about like how you can attending this boot camp. Like you can attend the boot camp for learnings from expert, because all these experts are basically either MVP or MCT Microsoft certified trainers or Microsoft most valuable persons. All these persons are community experts, industrial experts who are here to share their journey about cloud computing and Microsoft Azure. So they will take, it will be like a 3-day journey of 1.5 hour sessions every day, and they will cover all the syllabus of the basic certifications. Plus they will give you one-on-one mentor session, so you can just ask your any doubt. Like if you don't know see about cloud computing, what the cloud computing exactly looks like, you can just join in the sessions and you can ask any doubt whatever. Like when when I have started my cloud journey like 2-3 months back, so what I was having in my mind, like if this doubt is silly, this is the wrong thing to ask, if what he will think about me if I'm going to ask. See, this is a virtual world where no one, every doubt is, nothing is silly, like because doubts are always welcome. What you can do is ask any doubt there and just get certified. Then it's then on at the last of the whole boot camp, or the 4th day, we have a quiz. So you can participate in the quiz and whether you belong to that college or community. Otherwise, if you don't want to participate in that quiz, you can, what you can do, we have every day, every Friday we do a quiz on Microsoft Azure. So on the basics of Microsoft Azure, you can participate in that too and win some amazing prizes like Microsoft merchandise, some zippers, or basically some Azure portal passes from us, worth rupees like something $100. It's like $100 or more. So you can just, this is the perfect way to get started with Microsoft Azure. And we have community experts Discord channel in our Discord community where like suppose you are just deploying a web app in your Microsoft Azure and you are facing any difficulty, like your pipeline is not working or anything,
Need
or what you are doing
implementing
is not working. So you can just post in your Discord channel and get your query will be get sorted in like just fraction of seconds. This is what you can do. So I guess this is amazing. And like that's the best networking place you can ever get, like because we have 22 plus year experience, all people also there, the experienced people are, they are from India, they are like 19 plus countries. So you can just think about what is the level of expertise of these peoples. Even we are having some multiple MVP session who are building these services for you so that you can get started Microsoft journey. So this is how we are doing. So this is how you can start your journey. So Aditya is here to start. Like Aditya, if you can share your slide, we can just go away with go forward with the session.
Yeah.
So yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
But my internet is not so stable, so I'll be sharing my screen.
You
Once
can
you
just
can
go
save,
with
it's
just,
visible. Is it visible, right?
yeah, it's visible to us. Perfect.
Okay. Uh, Everyone, welcome to this session. So we'll be today. I'll be helping you to understand what is Azure Developer Community. Basically, Azure Developer Community is a go-to place. Like you can consider, like you will be connecting with many amount of people, like let's say with variety of varied experience, so that beginner to expert can start contributing, collaborating with the community, so that he can help the community to grow by sharing his knowledge to the youngsters or the community in any way possible. So the main motto of this is to learn, network, and upskill. So now we can see, like as I said earlier, there will be regularly meetups in terms of online, in terms of hackathons. You can collaborate with experts who are in this domain. In terms of Azure skills, like if you are working on any product, you can communicate with this set of people. This is not located just not for this particular region or particular area. It's widely, vastly diversified when you compare to other fields like um, AWS or this thing. So now we'll see, like we have got the website of how you can access the all the contents or the upcoming events. So whichever the recent community or the nearby community you can see. So this is the website of Azure Dev. So as I said earlier, this is the motto of this community. So there are around 13k plus active learners, or the active members, you can say, around 100 plus cities. So you can, as I said earlier, if you want any of the nearby community, you can either register as a speaker or even a mentor. Or if you want any or meetups or anything you need to organize, you can easily organize by contacting any of the lead. As of now, I am leading Tumkur region. So there are a couple of other region, as I said, Agartala, Agra, Ahmedabad, whichever region or whichever location is near to you, you can uh, contact the organizer and you can proceed. And also there are many mentorship and partnering communities. As you would have heard many of this communities, one or the other way. Like let's say there is girls script, there is some Azure Easy, many things you would have heard. So that it will be a collaboration with some of the college based communities, along with the these communities as well. So one second. So this is what about the communities. Along with you will get the wide variety of exposure. If you are a student, you will come to know, like where all the technology is moving and what's the importance of that. So along with that, these are some of the speakers who have already took sessions, or the incoming session, like upcoming sessions you can consider. So you can also see who all organizing and what all their qualifications, and you can also go through this. In terms of Microsoft, it is mainly supported and organized by Microsoft Azure, so you will get more amount of resources related to this. So once we have done with this, so we can also see, like basically you will be having a doubt what is an Azure is one of the cloud platform which has a wide variety of features, from not only the what normal cloud provider provides, but also for wide variety in terms of, you would have heard now the new buzzwords called as metaverse, web 3.0. Every support that Azure is getting up inside their cloud. Along with, you can think about ML and various other resources. So we can go through that Azure portal, and you will be getting access to variety of the resources which they provide. So along with that, as I said earlier, what is Azure Dev Community actually meant for? So there will be a number of events. Quite often, as Lakshit said, there will be an Oli event or the Oli quiz, which will be coming uh, tomorrow, I guess. So there is many events, boot camps, and hackathons. So in terms of, if you participate, you will not only gain exposure to the new technologies, but also you'll get an add-on benefit in terms of knowledge, so that you can upskill yourself, and you can showcase that in the open community. So there will be also gifts or the swags in terms of Azure vouchers, credits, or passes, so that you can make sure it will be very helpful for you to practice or set up any of the application if you are trying out. So this is our Discord server. So we have got a Discord server, Discord community for this, so that if anything you need, you can ask everything at one place. So even our uh, everyone will be contributing over there. So you can join to this, and if you have any queries, it will be very much helpful, so that you can easily communicate with a respective person and get it clarified to a nearby region or any of the top head person. So as of the Azure certifications, so what is the value of Azure certifications? So there is a huge value and huge amount of interest these days. If you clear these certifications, as this is a global level certification, it will be thoroughly authorized by the Azure Microsoft. So if you clear this, you will having a credible value in the market. So along with that, you will also, how you can clear this, there is also a number of resources and tools which are provided directly by Microsoft only. So these are the certifications paths you can consider. Like if you want to go into a DevOps field or a data engineer field, there is a set of particular certifications related to that. So you can assume, like you can create, if you are a beginner, so that you can clear Azure fundamentals, DP fundamentals, AI. And if you want to clear the advanced level, like you can go with associate or any other related certifications. So along with that, if you like, you'll say like, I can enroll in this, so how would I study for this? So if you go inside this, there will be, let's say if you want to DevOps engineer, you will get the content. You can start studying particular, you will get the entire route map. So let's say if you want to be this DevOps engineer, at least basic you should be knowing the what are the Azure fundamentals, is like how you can handle the tools in cloud, everything you can study with this. So if you go inside that, you will get the entire study material or the path. See, like what all the basics you can start with, come with these three modules, and Microsoft Azure, Azure services, what is serverless architecture, everything you can go through. You can start preparing for the examination. But there is also one more opportunity provided by Microsoft Azure only. So there will be quite often events will be conducting by Azure developers, or you can say Azure engineer, Azure community. This is not related to Azure developer community, but it's directly done by Azure people. So whenever you required, or let's say you want to be certified in data fundamentals, you can choose the particular date which you want to attend this session. So once you click on register, you will get an option to fill in the details, and you will get a date on which you can attend this session. Actually, this will be a 2 day to 1 day event. So once you are registered into this, and you have attended successfully this event, you will get a voucher in couple of days. So with that voucher, you can go and write this exam at free of cost. So so this is the best option we have got. Like you are able to write the examination within zero cost. So this is the one of the best advantage this Microsoft Azure is providing us. It's not only just related to AI. There are many a variety of certifications we can do in terms of security, in terms of DevOps, in terms of basic fundamentals thing. So this also helps us to upskill ourselves, and provide an opportunity to showcase being a, like if you're a college student, so you'll be not having much awareness about what to do as of now. So which field, which domain, have to be a developer or a DevOps engineer or a MLE or something like that. So if you have a grip about these advantages or tools from which you can upskill yourself, so it will be a very helpful to showcase these things into whenever you apply for any jobs, or if you want to contribute to the communities like Azure developer, it will be a very much helpful. Even I am a certified in Azure AZ9 DP900, so it gave me an edge against others while applying for jobs and all. So that's it. Hello.
Okay, perfect. So this is very beautiful insights from Aditya side. So this is totally about Azure certification and all these things he just told. So I just want to conclude with like in case you want any certifications to be like if you don't know how to get started with these certifications, as I already told you, we have multiple boot camps where you can participate in, and you can get certified coupons also where you can get certified. Or if you don't have coupon, what you can do is like you can just contribute to the community in any way. Like if you are a beginner, you can start writing blogs and all these things with our community, and we are very happy to publish our blogs, and every contribution is welcome for you. So this is it from our side this time. So I hope to see you next time, or you all. So thank you, Aditya, thank you for giving kind insights about Azure Developer Community and about your views on Azure Developer Community and about your work. So this is it. This is totally about. So ahead, as I shared, this is a Discord server link. So do join this Discord server link. We have a holy quiz tomorrow at 7 p.m. where, as I told, 10 there are total 20 minutes. 15 minutes, 10 minutes are will be picked from top 10, and 10 winners will be randomly selected for Azure portal passes. So do participate in the quiz and get a chance to win $100 Azure portal passes. So this is the best time to get start your Azure thing. So so Kshat, can you
Thank
just specify like what skill you are saying about, like if you are saying about cloud computing, like this is if you are saying about cloud computing on Microsoft Azure, then I would prefer you to practice more and more. As much as you will practice, as much as you will practice, like hands-on is the best part to get started. Make projects, multiple projects will help you out to get better in your skill. This is the best piece of advice, and I hope Aditya must agree with this statement.
yeah, Lakshit. What you said was correct. Like without practice, we can't be mastering in any skill. So practice makes us.
Computing is the, yeah, is it's like an ocean. You can't read every single thing, you can't remember every single thing. You just have to, you can memorize every single thing. You have at a one step of time, you have to start practicing the thing. I personally, what I believe, when I started unable to access the link, can you please reshare it with me? Okay, cool, let me share it again, just a second. So polishing your skills. So okay, so this is a good part for you, Akshat. What you can do is you can just join our Discord server community link, and here you can ask the same doubt and just check it out how much replies you can get also. And the thing is, so where you can get a chance to win Azure portal passes, and you can just start working hands on and making some more projects, because when you start building projects, then you need some more, like monetization and all these stuff, because you have to Azure is totally based subscription based. You have to buy subscription if you are not in college. If you are in college, then you can just get it from GitHub Developer Student Pack. Otherwise, we are giving so many Azure portal passes. You can participate in all these quiz, and you can get a chance to win all these Azure portal passes. So this is how you can get started. If you have any doubts, Aditya is also here to let so to clear your doubts. So if you have any doubts, so just let us know. Okay, perfect. I guess there are no more doubts. So cool. So guys, do join. Happy Holi to everyone. Happy Holi to Aditya, you too as well.
Happy Holi,
So
Lakshit. Happy
we're
Holi to
studying.
everyone.
Yeah, happy Holi to everyone. See you then at tomorrow 7 p.m. quiz. Okay, the quiz is at 7 p.m. tomorrow. It will be a 2 minute quiz. 10 questions will be there, and it will be 2 minutes. Like 20 to 30, like 10 to 20 questions will be there, something like that. Maybe mostly the questions are 10 questions. Okay, so it will just you get 20 seconds for answering the questions specifically. We will publish every rules and regulation for the quiz. So that's it from my side. So Aditya, happy Holi to
Thank
everyone
you.
who is joining. So happy Holi,
I
everyone.
would
So
like
see
to
you next.
thank Lakshit for providing this opportunity and Azure Dev community. So we'll be part of future such sessions, and it was great experience. Thank you, Lakshit,
And
and
we are
thank you
also
everyone
happy to
for attending.
onboard you. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.